Hello everyone, my name is Toma. I'm the co-founder of Loopple AI, and today I want to do a demo of how the platform works, show you the features that we provide, and how you can build your website in under 60 seconds with the help of AI. So the first step is to go to loopple.com/AI website builder, and from here you'll have to choose generate website. Here you'll have two options: business details website, from where you can add your business details, and also text to website that will allow you to build a fully functional website from just a single prompt. So for today, we'll go with this one. And let's say that we want to build a website for a dentist. I want to build a website for a dentist. So you have to provide a simple prompt and the AI will do everything that is needed. From here, you can choose the website language and the website design. So I'll go with this one. And now we will wait for the AI to generate the website. It will take around 10 seconds for the AI to do the job. So let's wait for this. All right, so the website is ready. So now we have the initial draft of the website. So we have a header, features section, testimonials, a contact form, a call to action, and the footer. And now you can click customize website, and this will redirect you to the builder. So basically from here, you will have a lot of options. So let's start with the first one that I think it's one of the most important, like changing the logo of the company. You can choose either go with the simple text. So let's say Toma Dentistry. And you can also change the font like this, or you can choose to upload an image. So let's try to find one dentist. You can choose to upload one of yours, or you can choose one from here, from the library. So let's say that I go with this one. All right, you can modify buttons, text, and so on. So contact me today. You can modify also, like in the case of this header, you can modify the layout. So for the header, we have 5 layouts. I'll go with this one because I really like it. So I can also go here and change the background image. Maybe go with this one. You can change the mask opacity as you like. Looks really nice. You can do the same for all the sections. So let's say that I want also to modify this section and add one with an image. So I'll go with this one and I'll add an image. So let's say that I want to go with another one. Right, like this. Then you'll also have the contact form that will work with your email that you logged in. So it will work also. Also, you have the call to action and then the footer. From the footer, you can choose the social images, the social links. So from here, let's say that we want only Facebook, Instagram, and let's say that we want LinkedIn. So you can simply choose the options from here. You can add new ones as you want. So everything will work fine in here. And after that, you can also have the option if you want to switch back to the team to another team. So this is the minimal one that looks like this, the modern one looks like this, the classic one that we had initially, the bold, elegant, and dark one. So I'll switch to the classic one because I think it fits the business model in this case. And let's say that I want to add a new section. And let's say that I want to add a section with statistics. So I'll go with this one. So for now, we are waiting for the AI to generate the content for this section that will fit the business model. So we'd expect to have numbers that fits a dentist. So in this case, we have the emergency care, happy smiles, procedures done, and so on. So it looks really cool. All right. The cool thing is that if you make something wrong, if you want to switch back to a previous version, you have the undo changes. So I can go with back to the website without the new section with numbers, but I want to have that. Well, this is really cool because you don't have to worry if you make something wrong. You can easily switch back to the previous changes and this will be fine. All right, so, and also we have the assistant that you can use to make any type of changes that you want. So let's imagine that we want for this section to have more numbers. So we can simply say, I want this section to have 6 numbers instead of 4. So now the AI will try to understand your prompt. So it's very good to give a very detailed prompt with your details, and it will try to generate the best section possible. So let's wait for it to see what it does in this case. All right, this is really cool. So it generated 6 numbers. So we have 50 plus expert dentist, 30 user experience. So it generated exactly what I wanted. This is really cool because you can use it anytime you want to make big changes to your sections. All right, so after your website is done, you can simply preview the changes using this. So you can view it into desktop screen, tablet, and mobile. It's really easy to see how it looks on different devices. So in this case, this is how it looks on a mobile device. It's really cool. Looks really clean. I like it. And then at the end, after everything is done, you can simply publish it on a loopple.com subdomain, where you can choose adding this to a custom subdomain, to a custom domain. Yep, so this is how it works. Let me show you also adding this to a custom to a loopple.com subdomain. So custom subdomain. All right, so now the website is here. Looks awesome, and you can share it with your friends, family, so you can see what they think. Yeah, this is really cool. This is how it works. Let me know what you think. Thank you.